Hey, and welcome to this cardio exercise. Today we're just going to get the blood pumping through the body and hopefully get you moving a little bit around the space. So for this, you don't actually need too much space. You probably need about as much space as your body can take up in a star, and you can do this in socks or shoes, or even barefoot. It's completely up to you. Whatever you find is going to be comfiest. So for this one, we're going to get straight into the bulk of it. We're going to start on the spot, and we're going to do 16 walks on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we're going to up the intensity just a little bit, and we're going to take the walks to jogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do these however you want. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Following that, we're going to go. Following our jogs, we're going to go to star jumps. Make sure we have enough space for this. We're going to do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The next one is a little bit of a brain tease. We're going to start in parallel. Feet can be slightly apart or together, whatever's comfiest for you. We're going to do a single jump before we turn our feet out into a ballet first position. So our toes spread out, and we should land with our toes outwards. And we're going to do the opposite of that, but with open legs. So we're going to bring it to open second, and then turn out second. We're then going to reverse it, so it goes out, and then back in that way. So we have jump in second, jump in parallel second, jump in ballet first, and jump in parallel. If you're not feeling up to it, you can just do jumps on the spot, that works too. Or you can do jumps in and out, almost like a star jump. Feel free to change and adapt this however you want to. After that, we have a spot sprint. This is literally just a sprint, as it sounds, on the spot. As fast as you can. We do this for 8 counts. And then we're going to relax. Everything drops. Moving the arms up. We're going to take this time to breathe. And then we're going to drop. And we're going to go back from the beginning. Alright, Miss Diana Ross is in charge. We're going to stick to her counts. We're going to start with 16 walks on the spot. You ready? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring it up to a jog. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3. Ready? We're to star jumps. 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. This is the hard part. And out, in, out, reverse. 6, 7. One more time. And 1, 2, 3. Reverse it. 6, 7, 8. Spot sprints. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax. Oh, let's go from the beginning. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Big up to a jog. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Star jumps. Go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The tricky part. 2, 3. Reverse it. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spot sprint. 1, 5, 6, 7. Stretch it out. Woo. From the beginning, we're halfway there. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. 4, 6. To a jump. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready? Star jumps. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn it, turn it, turn out, turn it, turn out, turn out, turn it. Out. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spot sprint. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch it out. Most of the way there. Last time from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring it to a jump. Go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 2, 4. Ready? Star jumps. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up. Very nice. We're nearly there. Turn it, turn it, turn up, turn it, turn up, turn up, turn it, turn up, turn it. Again. Swing it in. Spot sprint, go on. Last. And relax. And relax. Alright, hopefully we're nice and warm and the blood is pumping around the body. Just to finish off, we're going to do a little cool down. We're going to start legs open, fairly wide, secure stance, and this is follow along, so just do as I do. And we should be fine. Start with arm swings. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and just shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bring it forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. This arm goes out. We're going to stretch to the side. 2, and bring it forwards. 3. Make sure you bend our knee to the side. 1, and up. And just 2 bounces with the arms and swing and arms and same the other way. 1 and 2. Bring it forward. 3. Bring it to the side. 1, 2, and bounce again. 1, 2, and bring your legs together. We're going to take one leg and we're going to stretch out our quads. Our pelvis underneath. Very nice. Hold that balance. Wait. We're going to swap legs. 5, 6, 7, swap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that tailbone nice and parallel straight under you. We're going to take this leg and put it down and do a calf stretch. And 1, and 2. We're going to take the opposite arm to one forward. We're going to take it down on the ground and we're going to stretch upwards. We're going to swap legs. The other leg goes down. 2, holding it still. 3. This arm goes down and stretch it out. 1, 2, 4. Put the first arm down. We're going to clap on now. We're going to relax. Stay where we are. Through the vertebra, each vertebra you really want to feel. Really nice and slow. Okay, let's separate our legs in seconds. We're going to bring our arms up, so almost press position. And we're going to arch our back slightly up. If you want to take to rise, and just relax. And up again. Just get a nice stretch and relax. And up. We're going to bring our legs together. And we're going to roll down. And back up. We take one hand and the other hand. Then bring them together. But I'm making it to the end. That was a real marathon.